Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, honorable lecturers and examiners. My name is Muhammad Zikri Kusumanagara with student identification number 44122201029. On this occasion, I would like to present my industrial internship seminar conduct at PT ISL Shipyard Indonesia. Okay, I will tell you about the company profile. PT ISL Shipyard Indonesia is a shipyard company located in Batam, Indonesia. The company operates as a subsidiary of ISL Marine Holdings Ltd, a marine group based in Singapore. PT ISL Shipyard Indonesia focus on shipbuilding and ship repair activity, including the construction and maintenance of tugboats, barges, and offshore support vessels, which is strategic location near international shipping routes. This company serves both domestic and international maritime clients. Okay, next is what do I do when I was in internship? When in my internship period, I have two main jobs. The first is support assistant supervisor in the field, like in charge a ship with him. With the supervisor, I support him. And the second is support story writer, like administration and reporting, like such as work done report. As a support assistant supervisor, I have some job to do, like assist in monitoring, participate in work inspection, record daily work progress, support supervision of work discipline and occupational health, report on site issue such as material availability, equipment, weather condition, and manpower to the assistant supervisor. And then assist in coordinating between workers, foreman, and supervisor. Like I assist in monitoring on-site activity. It's like including ship production, repair, and docking operation. And also participate in work inspection that I talked before. It's like to ensure compliance with technical drawings and specification. And the second is support story writer. What is my main job in support story writer? It's like collect field data as supporting material for ship project and progress report, prepare daily and weekly reports in the form of work done reports, document work activity through photographs and chronological reports, assist in writing works progress updates. It's like including issue and contract and corrective action taken. And then I have job to support the filling and organization of report documents for internal use, owners and classification society. And the last is ensure that reports comply with required formats and reporting schedules. Okay, the next is on-site work documentation. I have four pictures in here that I put in my presentation slide, and I will tell you and I will explain all about that. The first picture is me with the supervisor, QC, and owner, and the captain of the ship when I was in charge Gamkonora ship with my supervisor is Mr. Arli. It's a documentation when we are doing NDT test and a vacuum test on board the vessel. And the second is my picture when I was in the Federal 2. I was support the story writer. I entry into the Federal 2 vessel tank for measurement and data calculation with the story writer. And the third picture is this is the picture that I was when I was support the supervisor, Mr. Ardi. Same the ship is Gamkonora. We are doing some visual inspection with the owner and supervisor to verify the work progress. Like when the ship come, there are some work that we have to do. Me the still work the production. We need to verify and inspect first about the main text. And the last picture is me when I was support the story writer is a documentation during data input for work done report, and I made this in the office. Okay, we go to the next slide is the output. What did I get when I was internship in the ISL Shipyard Indonesia? When I was support the supervisor and the story writer, I gained so many experience like monitoring on-site work and team coordination, like understood inspection procedure, technical drawings and specification. Is also improve my skills in supervising work discipline and occupational health, and it's enhanced my communication skill with the workers, foreman, and also the supervisor and also the project team like that. And it's developed my ability to write and make some kind of work done report and gain experience in documentation or documenting work progress, which just like chronological notes, something like that. And I learned so many things, like I learned how to make a document and document filling for internal use or an external stakeholders. And the last is like improve my skill, improve my communication skill, improve my writing skills, and noting issue and corrective about my words. The difficulties faced during internship. I have four difficulties that I faced during the internship. Is the first is the internship method is frequently changed. Like 2 months with him, the boss said 2 months next with him, something like that. The mentor is frequently changed. The second is some foreign accents were difficult to understand. Like when I in charge some ship, I have like the captain and the boss of the ship is weird accent that I difficult to understand, like India people, something like that. And the third is design knowledge was not applied due to field focus tests. Like in my university, I was drawing 3D, and in the internship, I 90% is work in the field in the ship. And the last is you must require stronger skills in reading technical drawings. I was weak in the first, but and then I learned and then I improve my skill. Okay, and the last is documentation. These are the egg picture that I take when I was support the supervisor and support the story writer, like documentation and calculation data or insert some shape or do some entity test and a vacuum test like that. Go to the vessel tank to measure and calculation and to inspect the work progress and something like that. And I think that's all for me. If I have mistake, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.